Time to eat again. Today I have a 4 1/4 pound pork loin. And I'm gonna make it in my pressure cooker today. I have the Go Wise, I have it on saute mode. Whoa. I heated it up ahead of time. All right, let that cool down a little bit. I have olive oil in there. This is gonna be sweet barbecue Frito crusted pork roast. I'm gonna try to leave it all in one piece like that and slice it at the end. But if it falls apart, it falls apart. We know how tender we can get these. All right, let's see how hot this is. Fritos, Sweet Baby Ray's. Maybe some honey at the end. Might glaze the top of it. Ooh, Sweet Baby Ray's is gonna be good, sweet and spicy. And it's Labor Day, so this is gonna be my picnic meal. Inside or outside, it don't matter. I'm just gonna brown this up a little bit. This is just the perfect size for this 8-quart pressure cooker I have here. Whoa, music. Come on over while I roll this around a little bit. Just want to brown it up, just get some color on it. And I'm going to leave that olive oil in there. And I'm going to cook it on a rack today. Could add more things in there like I did in the past, like potatoes or beans or whatever you like. And you don't have to use Fritos. You can use Doritos or Cheetos or Ruffles or Ridges. Sizzle. Get the sides. Get the edges. Saute. Smells good just like this. Try to get that side browned up a little bit. Smells good. Only a couple minutes of this. Let me cancel this mode. Sizzling up pretty good in there. This is my stunt fork. This is better for that. You like it? A little bit in the end. Smells good. All right. I believe I'm done browning. I'm going to use this rack that came with one of my pressure cookers. I don't know which one. You can lift it out like that. So just put this down there. Right now, leave the olive oil goodness in there. Meat's on the rack. All right, you won't stay there, you won't stay there. Take my Sweet Baby Ray's. This is so easy. Or whatever kind of flavor you want in there. You might want to put hot sauce in there or anything. I'm going to use this whole bottle. So I'm going to pop that cap over there. And coat it up. Isn't that delicious? Then I'm going to put 1 bottle of water in, rinsing off the sides, because we need water for our pressure. So 1 bottle is 18 ounces. I'm going to put it on the bottom here. So this is like 2.5 cups of water. Put that on the bottom for pressure. See how it looks on top? Looks beautiful, doesn't it? You can add whatever you want now. I'm not going to add any salt because we know it's probably salty. Add some pepper. Remember what it's going to be. It's going to be sweet Frito crusted. Sweet honey Frito crusted pork for my holiday. Put your lid on correctly. Make sure you're in pressure or sealing mode back here. This is pressure. I'm going to push my meat button. You want to come down and see? You could go manual or whatever, but I'm going to push meat stew. 35. I would like to go up to 40 minutes. Haven't used this one in a while. 40 minutes. Okay. Now we wait for the pressure to build up, which shouldn't take long because it's warm in there already. And then we're going to be back and we're going to have a great meal for today. You never had this, did you? Frito crusted pork roast with sweet baby rays and honey. Be back. I have 6 minutes left, as you can see. Now it's a good time to crush up my Fritos. Take about a half a bag. Fritos, Doritos, Cheetos, tater chips, whatever you like. Put them in a Ziploc bag. Crush them up. Fun, huh? Or you can hammer them with a hammer or whatever tool you have around, but this works good. And when I open my roast, I'm going to sprinkle a little honey on top and coat it with Fritos. That's going to be good. Isn't it? All right, be back in 5 minutes. I'll let the pressure out then. Here you go. Nice. Yum, yum, eat 'em up. Just beeped and told me the time is up. This GoWise shows the pressure right there. See, there's 9.8 pounds of pressure in there. It's going down, see? I'm gonna let this natural release. Look at it going down. But instead of letting the pressure out like this, I'm gonna let that release naturally. A little more extra tenderness. So I'll be back in, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. It's down to 2.3 pounds, you see there? There's probably not much pressure in it at all. Nope, all gone. It's gonna be a surprise what we see in here, isn't it? Wanna look with me? Okay, so the sauce drizzled down and off of the meat. I didn't want it to fall apart for this recipe because I wanted to slice it. I'm going to roll it in Frito crumbs. I'm going to retrieve this with the rack. Try to get it right onto the plate. Boy, that smells good. There we go. There we go. How is it? Oh, it's going to be good. I want it sliceable. You see, I can break it apart with a fork, but I don't want to do that right now. Now you can have fun with your toppings. I want to put a bed of Fritos on the bottom. I didn't think of that till it was too late, but let me slide this to the side. Make sure we're all covered there. I'll take my honey, drizzle it on top. Look at the juice coming out. See it? Honey. Got a lot of sauce left in the pan too. If you want to use that for your sandwich or your gravy, depending on how you serve this. Don't be stingy. That's what I wanted. That's just what I wanted. Because I like Fritos. And they smell so good. What do you think, everybody? You like it like I like it? How's that look? for a nice thumbnail. Now my idea for this was to just slice it. That's why I would have went for 60 minutes or longer if I was going to make a pulled pork, because I want to shred it apart. Now this is probably tender enough to pull it apart, but I want to slice this. See? Because I wanted the Frito crust. And I'm going to have a nice sandwich with this. Aren't I? Is the garbage man out there wanting some of this? It ain't garbage day. Let me get a bun over here. I was thinking I was going to use this wimpy bun, but not for that nice big piece of meat. I have a nice big loaf of bread. I don't know what kind of bread is that. Oh, that's country white bread. This is going to fit this slice much better. For me, this is what I want. Perfect. Look at that. Take a little of my juice out of the Go Wise pressure cooker. Barbecue. What else? More Fritos. That's my sandwich. Now, if it's not too hot, would you like to join me in a bite? This is great for the picnic today, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Or shred it all up and make it pulled pork. You could. All right, let me take a bite. Here it is. I would cut that in half, but I don't want to. Oh, mess. Take the plate with you. Fritos. Sweet Baby Ray's. Honey. And a tender pork sandwich. More. That's a winner for me. All right, give this a try if you want to. Whatever pressure cooker you have. It's a great idea. Put some Doritos, some Cheetos, whatever you like. Happy Labor Day. Have a nice picnic today. I'll talk to you soon, okay? I had potatoes on the side, potato salad, macaroni salad, but I just want to show you this quick because it's so good. All right. I'm going to keep eating it. See you later.